Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Grayson Elementary School here in Waterford, Michigan, home of the Gators. Uh, an incredible day. Had a line of 60 students, maybe more, that wanted to share after my two assemblies this morning, K through 5. And I actually ended up talking for 2 hours after my program. So all during the lunches, people that wanted to share something on their heart that they're going through, something at home. It could be loss, it could be rejection, it could be a number of things. But I tried to just shed a little bit of light and tell them that they can always choose love, they can always choose kindness over the pain. And that was really what the focus of this assembly was the power of kindness. Just like the wall says here in their school hallways, it says choose kindness. So a big theme that we pushed was to make that choice, but also appreciate diversity, all the differences in everybody around us. Like the shirt says, one race human. We see people as human beings before anything else. And we see them for their hearts before anything else too. But we appreciate them for what's on the outside, where they're from, their culture, their background, skin color, but also what's on the inside, their strengths, their talents, their weaknesses too, gifts, abilities, everything, that we see them and see their worth. And we see that too through the M on all of our palms, M for miracle with the lines on our hands, and upside down for worthy. And for wonder, just like in the movie with Augie, he has Treacher-Collins syndrome, where your facial tissue and bones don't fully form, leads to a disfigurement. We shared a real-life example of another student around their age in elementary school that was getting put down and teased because of how he looks, how he was born, but some students that came to his defense and stood up for him. That he didn't really have that strong of a voice, but they made it the norm to accept him, and now everybody accepts him. So all of us have that power to either use it for good or to tear down, like our tongues that have no bones. We either can use them to break hearts or to help heal them. So thanks for touching my heart. Again, be the leaders that we know you guys all are. I appreciate everything that you guys did. And I hope to be back again soon to share my heart. Peace.